Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add the Capital One card to Apple Pay. It's really easy and simple. First, you want to, of course, go ahead and open up the Wallet app, and then I want you to tap on the plus button. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then I need you to go ahead and select debit or credit card. And here, you basically have to enter your Capital One card details, right? And you need to go ahead and enter your information, for example, your credit card number, expiration date, CVV code, things like that. Or you can even manually do that, or use your camera to scan the card. Just make sure you verify your name, card number, and expiration date. And then I want you to go ahead and tap on a next to continue. And Capital One, may actually ask you for an additional verification. You can just go ahead and choose text, email or call to get a one-time verification code. Just go and enter this code when you're prompted and then tap on next. Okay. And once verified, just go ahead and tap done, and your Capital One card is now added. Okay. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.